Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily resize an image on Windows using the built-in app. We will use the Windows Photos app. Let's get started. First, right-click on your image and then select Open With and Open with Photos app. After that, click on three dots, See More, and here choose Resize Image. After that, we can change width or height manually, for example, 720, and we see that width was changed too. We can change pixels or we can change percentage of our region photo, 67%, or for example, we can change by 50%. Okay, and we see that new file equals 500 kilobytes and current file, original file, is more than 1 megabyte. After that, we can choose file extension, JPEG, PNG, and click on Save. Choose the folder to save, click on Save, confirm, and it's our new picture with new size. Let's check. It's the original file. It is more than 1 megabyte and with full HD dimensions. Open the picture folder and here we see the same file with different size. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.